Hello guys, in this video we will see how to fix the broken objective bug in the Borderlands. The campaign will cover everything you need to know. Let's get started. SEP will verify game version and updates. Content ensure your Borderlands game is fully updated to the latest patched. Outdated game files are a common source of bugs. Check for updates through your platform store, e.g. Steam, Epic Games Store, PlayStation Store, Xbox Store. After downloading and installing any available updates, restart your game and select to fully apply the changes. This often resolves issues caused by incomplete or conflicting data. If updates are available but fail to download or install, troubleshoot your internet connection or contact the platform's support for assistance. Step check for conflicting mods or content. If you are using any mods or have downloaded additional downloadable content, temporarily disable them to see if they are interfering with the game's objective tracking system. Mods, especially those not officially supported, can often conflict with the core game files and cause unexpected glitches. Disable mods through your mod manager or the game settings menu. If the problem is resolved after disabling mods or identify the conflicting element and consider using an updated version or removing it entirely. SEP restart the game and console content. A simple restart can often clear temporary glitches and errors. Close the Borderlands replication completely and restart your gaming console work. This process clears cached data and resets system processes, potentially resolving temporary disruptions to the game's functions. After restarting, reload your saved game and check if the objective is properly registered.
SEP will reload a previous saved content if the issue persists. Try loading an earlier save file from before the objective malfunctioned. This may allow you to replay the section leading up to the broken objective and potentially bypass the bug. If you have multiple save files from different points in the game, load a save from a time when the objective was still functioning correctly. Proceed carefully to avoid triggering the bug again.
SEP contact Gearbox support content. If none of the preceding steps resolve the broken objective, contact Gearbox Software, the developers of Borderlands, directly for support. Provide them with detailed information about the issue, including your platform, PlayStation, Xbox game version, specific objective that's broken, and any relevant error messages, including screenshots or video footage of the problem, can significantly help them diagnose and resolve the issue. Gearbox support may offer additional troubleshooting steps or a patch for the specific bug.